Hey there. Today we're diving into a fascinating study about Claude, Anthropic's AI, that's revealing something extraordinary about artificial intelligence and ethics. Imagine analyzing 700,000 conversations with an AI model. That's exactly what Anthropic did. And the results? Surprisingly human like. Claude consistently demonstrated a moral compass, leaning towards fairness, honesty, and avoiding harm. This isn't about hard coding rules, but something more nuanced. It suggests that how we train AI could naturally cultivate ethical behaviors. Think of it like raising an intelligent, principled assistant who makes thoughtful choices. The study opens up big questions. Should AI models have built in values? Who defines and audits those values? Can we truly trust an AI's sense of ethics when it looks this organic? Beyond the research, I've got a practical tip for you. Claude can be an incredible tool for professional tasks like crafting emails. You can ask it to adjust tone, add signatures, even translate to different languages, making your communication smoother and more effective. In the broader AI landscape, we're seeing exciting developments. From Huawei preparing AI chips to challenge global restrictions, to Instagram rolling out age verification tools, to AI helping archaeologists uncover historical mysteries. We're witnessing technology transform multiple sectors. The takeaway? AI isn't just about processing power anymore. It's becoming more nuanced, more considerate, more, well, human like. And that's a future worth watching. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the incredible world of artificial intelligence.